Hi everybody, good afternoon. So we are seeing the supplementary God sees the truth but waits. Okay, so what we have seen in the previous class, so we have seen a merchant named Aksinov from Vladimir. So as he is on his way to the Nizhny fair, he was arrested for killing a merchant who stayed along with him. So he was arrested and kept in the prison. His wife and his children are coming to see him in the prison. So his wife is also suspecting on him, and so Aksinov is feeling very much upset. Okay, so as he is staying in the prison for a long time, that is for 26 years, he was liked by all the prison authorities and all the other co-prisoners. So everyone had a great respect on him, and if there is any quarrel in the prison, they will be approaching Aksinov to give a solution. So he gained a respectable place in the prison, and also he was attracted by everyone for his patience. Right, then but Aksinov doesn't know anything about his family. He doesn't know about his wife, his children, and he even doesn't know whether they are still living or not. So this is what we have seen in the previous class. Now let us continue the same. One day a fresh gang of convicts came to the prison. In the evening, the old prisoners collected round the new ones and asked them what towns or villages they came from and what they were sentenced for. Among the rest, Aksinov sat down near the newcomers and listened with downcast air to what was said. So one day, a fresh gang of convicts means the persons who does something wrong and who are coming to the prison to suffer with the punishment. Okay, so one day a fresh gang of convicts are coming to the prison. So in the evening, the old prisoners are sitting around the new prisoners and they are asking, from what town or village are you coming from? So what is the name of your town, from where you are coming, what is the name of the village, and what they were sentenced for, and why you have been punished, why you have been put in the prison. Among the rest, so among all the other old prisoners, Aksinov is also sitting with the newcomers, but he is not asking any questions or he is not speaking with the newcomers. Just he is listening with downcast air. Downcast air means with sadness, without any confidence. Simply he is listening to their conversation. Of the new convicts, a tall, strong man of 60 with a closely cropped grey beard was telling the others what he had been arrested for. Okay, so among the new convicts, one of the person, he is looking tall, he is a strong man, he is looking very strong, of age 60, with a closely cropped grey beard. So all of you know what is beard, right? Okay, with a closely cropped means cut grey beard, was telling the others what he had been arrested for. So he was explaining to the others for what he had been arrested and for what he was put in the prison. Well, friends, he said, who said? That new prisoner is telling. Okay, so the tall man, he is telling, well, friends, he said, I only took a horse that was tied to a sledge and I was arrested and accused of stealing. Okay, so the reason why he had came to the prisoners, he had just taken a horse which was tied to a sledge. Okay, so what is meant by sledge? Sledge means, so it is a vehicle pulled by the horses for transportation in the snow covered areas. Okay, it is a vehicle which is pulled by horse in a snow region, that is in the snow covered regions, that is called as sledge. So he just took the horse which was tied to that vehicle, that is sledge, and I was arrested and accused of stealing. So because of that reason he was arrested. For what reason? For taking the horse which was tied in the sledge. So for that reason he was arrested and accused of stealing. So he had been arrested for the reason that he had taken the horse from the sledge. I said I had only taken it to get home quicker and had then let it go. Besides, the driver was a personal friend of mine. Okay, so I said, who said? That new person, new convict. Okay, I said I had only taken it to get home quicker. So when he was arrested, he was explaining to the police official that he had taken the horse because he wants to go home quicker and had then let it go. So after reaching my home, I had left the horse to go. I didn't keep the horse with myself. Besides, the driver was a personal friend of mine. So besides all this reason, the driver of that sledge is my friend. So I have not stolen the horse. Just I had taken it to reach the home quicker. And after reaching the home, I had left it to go. And also the driver of the sledge is my friend. So I said, it's all right. No, said they. So I said, who said? The new prisoner said. So he is telling all these reasons. It's all right. So it is no problem. It's all right. Just I have taken it and then after reaching home, I have left it and the driver is my friend. It's all right. No problem. I have said to them. Said to whom? To the police. No, said they. But what the police said is, no, you stole it. You have stolen it. You have theft the horse. But how or where I stole it, they could not say. But they could not find. Who could not find? The police couldn't find where and how I have stolen that horse. I once really did something wrong and ought by rights to have come here long ago, but the time I was not found out. See what he is telling. I once really did something wrong. So once upon a time, I really did something wrong. I have committed a mistake and ought by rights to have come here long ago. So long ago, so before a long time, when I have committed a mistake, I should have come here. Where? To the prison. So appave na prison ku vandirukano. Now I have been sent here for nothing at all. But now I have not committed any crime and for no reason I have been sent to the prison. But it is lies I am telling you. I have been to Siberia before, but I did not stay long. So anyhow, I have came to Siberia before a long time, but I didn't stay here for a long time. Okay.